Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can change your address in your Temu account. If you have created an Temu account and you have put an address but now you want to change your address, then there are options that you can change your address. For that, just open your Temu account on your mobile phone or Temu app. When you open this, at the below section you can see there are four options. The third one is you. This is your profile option. Just simply click on this option. Now when you click on this, here you can see their option called addresses. Just simply click on this addresses. Now here is the address that you have already written. Now if you want to change your address, you can see at the right side there edit option. Just simply click on this edit option, and now you can change your address and whatever you want to change, city or district or anything. After changing, just simply click on this save option and your address will be saved. So this is the first way how you can change your address. If you want to add a new address, you will click on this add a new address. Now you will write your new address, and after writing your address, just simply click on save and your new address will be added. So this is the way how you can change your address on your Temu account.